Hello everyone, my name is Raisen and welcome back to Raisen Spray Booth. And as you guys can see behind that the car is gone, which means that the car is ready. And the only person who is left here is this, my dog. He's taking rest here and enjoying himself. So guys, I have fixed around 11 dents on this car. So go ahead and watch those 11 dents first and then come back.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got it, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
So guys, those were the dents. So the next thing what I did was I started with dismantling the parts, and once I was done dismantling the parts, I started to take the dents out, fill them up with body filler, and then I applied primer on them. So go ahead and watch that and come back.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret and frenemies. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff.
So guys, once you reach this part, and if you are successful in taking out the dents properly, and if you have filled them up and on top of the primer you cannot make out the dent, then you are almost close to apply the base coat. You still have to do the sanding, and once you do the sanding, now it's time to apply the base coat. Now you guys know that I have already bought the base coat. I went to the shop and I did the paint matching and all. If you have not yet seen that video, then I will put a link of that video in the end screen, so you can later go there and watch that video as well. Now I will apply 3 coats of base coat. The first coat I will apply only on the repaired part where I have applied the primer, and the second and the third coat I will apply on the entire panel. So come on, let's apply the base coat.
I never answer to no, man, I still go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy.
So guys, I'm done applying the base coat. So what's next, guys? What's next? Yes, you guys are correct. Next is the clear coat. Yes, I will be applying 2 coats of clear coat here, and I will be applying them on the entire panel. After that, I took out my wheels and I modified them a little bit. We'll check them out as well. But before that, let's go and apply the clear coat. Yes guys, the car is finally ready, and as you guys have seen that I have painted this car in my home garage, and this is the garage where I have painted my car, where my dog is sitting at the moment. So for those who don't believe that this type of paint jobs can be done in a home garage, then this is the proof guys. I have not done color sanding and buffing on this car because the car had to go in an emergency, so I could not complete that. Every day I spend around 2 hours on this car, and it took me around 3 weeks to complete the paint job. So guys, like this, if you want to do your own paint jobs by yourself, and that too in your home garage, then I have created a step-by-step course where you can learn at your own pace and watch the videos as many times as you want till you learn the process. Now while learning the process, if you have any questions or if you are in the middle of the paint job and you have messed up something, so once you get enrolled, you will get access to my private community where you can ask me any question and I will try to answer as many of them as possible. So I've put a link of the course in the description below. You can go there and enroll yourself. And if you like this particular video, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Now come on, let's go and check out the final shots of the completed car. And till then, this is Raisen Fanai signing out until we meet again.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.